everyone! Another day, another Shein vlog. Ayan guys. So, for today's video, sige ba naman? Oo, this is also from Shein. So, mga 90s naman tayo. Ayan, Shein haul, 90s naman tayo. So, this is a very sexy 90s of mine. Ayan, so, you choose na lang kung alin ang magandang kulay. So, this one also is nice. Kita ko lang pak. Sexy sa likod siya. Napaka-sexy niya sa likod. As in, very, very daring. As in, pak. Ganon. Sige. So, this one, guys. Ayan. I have two. This one is very sexy, actually. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is 90. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah, so ingani siya guys. Kaya baliktad di ay. So ganito siya guys. Nawa. Oh, pak. Kita si Maria Makiling. Yeah, as you can see guys, maganda siya. Very, very sexy also. Yan. See-through ba? Nakikita ko kayo. Yes. Can you see? Ayan. So maganda siya guys. And then, may ribbon siya dito. So, I will show you one of my favorite 90s. Ayan, yung mga ingani pak. Actually, meron pa kong red. Hindi ko alam kung nasaang parcel pa siya. Okay, so, ayan, may rubble-rubble din siya dito. Ingani siya, guys. Very, very beautiful. So, isuot natin to, okay? And another is, this is two. So, ayan, may item, of course. Actually, ito may ano siya. May kasama siyang, tamo, may kasama siyang pak. Sani, tibak guys. Tibak siya guys. Okay. Ganon. So, pak ganon. Mayroon din ito. There is also tibak with this. So, ito ang ating, I can use it face mask. And what a good, and very small, yeah. I don't know if it's fit to me. Okay, this one also is black. Same rani siya, so black naman yung usa. Tanawa. Shein haul. Now, there is also here ano, ribbon. May tibak din to eh. Yeah, there is also tibak with this. Are you ready, guys? We will wear this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ayan. So, tanawa na good. Very, very good quality. Yan. May adjustan din siya dito, guys. So, you can adjust. Okay. Yeah. I bought this in Shein, guys. So, Shein is silang duha. And this one also. Ganda din siya, no? Okay. Let's wear this. So, guys, ito siya ang ating purple. Nakita nyo naman. Manipis talaga siya. Very thin. Ayan ang ating purple. Nakita nyo ba? Yan. So, Shein haul. Maganda naman siya. And then, very sexy talaga yung kanyang ganito guys. Very, very sexy. I like this one. Pero makita nyo talaga siya from, ayan, ingani siya. Pero maganda, right? That is beautiful. Comment below guys kung gusto nyo, anong kulay yung gusto nyo. This one, purple or black. Okay? Ganito siya guys. Maganda talaga siya. Right? Very nice. Ayan. And comfy also siya isuot. So maganda talaga siya. No? Shikama. Yeah, right? Very nice. I like the color also. It makes me like my skin lighter with this color, right? So next naman tayo guys. So hi everyone, ito na ang black. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful guys. Ayan. So tingnan nyo naman, napaka-glossy niya. Maganda din ang kanyang guys, right? I like it. Ayan. Ganyan yung black guys. Very nice. Ayan. Very nice yung kanyang black. So, actually, kunting push lang dito sa taas. So, medyo ano talaga siya. Medyo showy talaga siya. But anyway, ang cute niya guys, right? Black is beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe, and comment below. Thank you so much po.